papers in LaTeX document. So because the reason is it has a control over large documents containing sectioning, cross references, tables and figures, typesetting of complex mathematical formulas like this. These are the features, special features of MATLAB, and also automatic generation of bibliographies and indexes. So we know the LaTeX is a free software. There are some disadvantages also there. It is difficult to learn and use, but it will save you time in the long run. And also another disadvantage of LaTeX is too many packages that I will explain in due course of time. With this brief introduction, I am opening LaTeX. So I am using Text Studio now. This will be the desktop of Text Studio. If you want to open, if you want to type, if you want to create a LaTeX document, you have to open a new document. Okay. The first command that we need to start in any LaTeX document is document class. / document class. I think it is a document class. Is it okay? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
The first command that we need to start any document in LaTeX is document class. Document class. In this, we will mention if you want to prepare an article, we write an article. If you want to prepare a PPT through LaTeX, we mention Beamer, B-E-A-M-E-R, Beamer. Now I am taking an article. I'm going to prepare an article. After that one, we have to give begin document. Begin document, end document. Everything goes in between these two. Begin document and end document. This is the first statement in LaTeX document. You have to mention. This is the first command. Document class article. After that one, begin document and end document. In between, you have to type. So, for example, already I am taking one text. Instead of typing, I am taking one document. Control C. Matter. Control V. So here the two buttons are there, green buttons. So this is compile. If you compile, what will happen? So right hand side you see this one. This is PDF is generated. PDF is generated. If you want to see the PDF, you have to, this is the PDF. Okay. So there are options are there here. So there are options in the document class. So suppose if you give 12 point, I want to change the font size. Font size was increased. Did you observe this? Suppose if you remove, I'm not keeping anything here. You see this one. By default, it takes 10 point or 11 points. Suppose 12 point. You can increase the font size. So there are so many options are there. You can change legal paper, 2 columns like that. One by one I will tell later. So first I am concentrating on mathematical expressions. So you see the difference. Something I am typing here. If A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2, then A plus B is equal to 5. Now I am compiling this one. You see this one, this came here. Okay. So though I have given space, I didn't get a next line here. Am I correct? So if you want to get new line, you have to give double backslash. Now I compile this one. I got A is equal to 3, B is equal to 5, A plus B is equal to 5. So this is not in mathematical format. Am I correct? So usually we write, we see like this. A is equal to mathematical equation. A is equal to 3. How to get this type of symbol? How to get this type of notation? So only thing is we have to give dollar symbol between these two. If you see this one, you can see the difference now. Now I am compiling. You see the difference between this A and this A. I am maximizing symbol. You see the difference. Suppose if you give dollar symbol in between these two, you will get italic notation. Okay, and you see this. And if you want a square plus b square is equal, I want to write that. If you want to write a square, you have to give a cap 2. A cap 2 plus b cap 2 is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. I'm running this. This is. Okay. So I'm giving a backslash. Also, I want to give square root of a square plus b square. Square root of a square plus b
बाकी करती है थोड़ी एकदम ये लोग टेंशन नहीं छोड़ रखे
Also,
कर ले बारी को
so kindly mute your mic, sir. Also, square root of
तो घर में आग लगेगी जब फिर गई
SQRT. If you want to get a square root symbol, you have to give it like this. SQRT of brackets argument. A cap 2 B cap.
कौन सी क्लास की होगी फर्स्ट ईयर की टाइम टेबल नोट करो बेटा कर लिया टाइम टेबल लगा रहा नोट करो
SQRT of 13.
Sir, sorry to interrupt. Vijay sir, please mute your mic.
Okay, now we see the output. This is the symbol backslash SQRT gives square root. See this. Square root of a square plus b square is equal to root 13. Okay. If you want to get a square root in LaTeX, you have to give backslash SQRT. You have to remember some statements, some commands. And also, one more thing. Suppose a is equal to something. If you give like this, what will happen? A to the power of 12. I want to enter a to the power of 12. So a cap 12. If you enter, we won't get the desired value. You see this one, I'm running this one. A to the power of 12. I want to get a to the power of 12. I given a cap 1 2, a cap, a hat, whatever it means. A cap 1 12, but I got a to the power of 1 2. Okay, how to get this one? This entire thing you have to give in curly braces. If you give curly braces, if you give in the curly braces, then only we will get desired output. A to the power of 1. Not only that one, if you want to get, so for example, dollar symbol, a to the power of curly braces, 2x square, 2x square plus 3x plus 1. You see this. If you want to give more than one term in the exponent, we have to keep the entire thing as in curly braces. We have to keep the entire thing in curly braces. And also, you see this one. I'm taking square root of. There is a symbol here. The advantage of x2 is left hand side. There is a symbol x, square root of x. I mean, if we click this one, automatically the command will come here. Okay. So what I am doing, 1 plus again square root of SQRT of X. Is coming here also, we can use like this also, SQRT of X plus again I am using again square root of X, SQRT of X. Again I am using, you see the output. This is the advantage of LaTeX. I am closing this one, dollar symbol. I am compiling this document. You see this. Similarly, I told about suffix, how to get the suffix terms. Suppose I want to get like this. So, AI, comma J. AI is equal to suffix. AI is or AIJ. I, comma Z. How to get these values? The thing is, we have to give dollar symbol. You need, if you want to get a mathematical expression, you have to give a dollar symbol. A underscore curly braces IJ. AIJ is equal to 2. Dollar symbol. I'm closing it, dollar symbol. Okay, not only that one, not only that. So, any B underscore curly braces X square plus SQRT of X. SQRT. Got to close it again, dollar symbol. I'm running this document, LaTeX document. Okay. This is the way of giving using square root, curly suffix, suffix. Next, for example, fractions. How to give? Suppose if you give 2 by 3, this is automatically you get 2 by 3. Suppose I want to get an expression like this, for example, 2 divided by 3. Or some big numerator is there, n into n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 6, like this. 2n plus n into 2n plus 1 by n plus 2. N plus 2. So I want to get this. Like this, big expressions I need. So what to handle? For that, there is a left hand side, dfrac is the fraction is there. Directly you can click this one or dfrac. The command is dfrac, numerator and denominator. So 2 by 3 I want to get. 2 by 3. So definitely I will not get a desired output. 2 by 3 I won't get. It will show error or something. Error. It is showing error. It is giving 2, 3. You see this? 2, 3. Because we have to use a package. So now onwards, so if you want to go for high-end mathematical expressions, we have to use one package, that is use package AMS Maths, American Mathematical Society, AMS package. Now we compile this document. We compile this document. Oh, sorry, maybe I forgot dollar symbol. Deflect is correct only. AMS Math is correct only. One second. AMS Math. AMS Pack I type, sorry. AMS Math. AMS Pack. AMS Math. No, sorry. I typed AMS Pack. AMS Math. Okay. So now I am using same command to 3 with between dollar symbol. Now we compile. We get 2 by 3. Not only that, there is another symbol is here, small. So this is also frac. This is also frac. If you give 2 by 3, same value I am giving, 2 by 3. 2 by 3. What will happen? What will be the output? We get small 2 by 3. This 2 by 3. Okay. Now I want to type. This I told you something. I told some numerator is consisting of more than one dollar symbol. Defrag. So x plus x square plus 2x plus small fraction 1 by x. 1 by x. That means I am going to get this type of output. X square plus 2x plus 1 by x upon some denominator. Okay. That I type 1 by x. Now I am taking denominator. X plus y with dollar symbol. Run this. What will happen? You get like this. Okay. Everything will be adjusted according to the numerator and denominator. Okay. This is about fractions. Okay. Now I am going to how to insert. For example, Greek letters are there. Okay. Suppose so. $. Then I will take a document. First, we should know all these things. Then only we can start the document. X is equal to. I want to introduce alpha square plus beta plus gamma. Alpha square plus beta plus gamma. How to enter that line? Backslash alpha ALPHA. Alpha. First I am entering. I want to run this one first. We see the output. X is equal to alpha. Okay, x is equal to alpha. Suppose I want to take x is equal to alpha square. X is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus backslash gamma gamma square. X is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. Okay, like this. Similarly, something 1 by plus, for example, plus 1 by zeta. You know the symbol zeta and zeta. Then it's typed. Compile it. Like this. So all Greek letters you can easily get. From LaTeX. And also there are delta is there, that I want to tell you one thing. Suppose some y is equal to delta. Two deltas are there. Two delta. This is this delta. So there is a big delta. Deep delta. DELT. That DELT. Delta. Run it. So this is, if we get this is that. This is for small delta. This is for capital delta. Okay. Like that, we can get all Greek letters with a command. Okay. Now I am going to insert some mathematical expressions like suppose limit extends. I want to get this. Not only it is not limited with limit, we can take maximum, minimum like this. No? Limit extends to infinity or any number extends to infinity f of x. How to insert this type of symbols? Or most of the time we write like this: the maximum of max x belongs to R. X belongs to a real number. X belongs to a closed interval, whatever it may be. R real number set, R complex number set, R closed interval of A comma B. Some expression f of x. How to get this type of symbols in Latin? This type of expressions are symbols. Okay. So now first I am concentrating on this one. How to get this tens symbol? How to get limit symbol? Okay. These are the two things are important. How to bring this entire value to down. Okay. If you want to get tens to symbol, we have to give backslash 2. If you give backslash 2, TO2, you get this symbol. If you want to get infinity, backslash INFTY. Like this, INFTY. Infinity. You will get infinity symbol. So that this I will tell you directly. How to get this limit and how to get it, how to write in the down, I will tell you. So this is a mathematical expression. Backslash LIM limits underscore for suffix. Okay, x tends to x backslash 2 backslash INFTY infinity. Now this one limit extends to infinity came down. Limit extends to infinity. Extends to infinity will be in the down. Next f of x. I write f of x is equal to L. Now I am compiling. There will be a small difference will come. I will rectify that. Okay, see this. Limit extends to infinity. F of x is equal to. But I want to write this extends to infinity below the limit. So how to do that? So the same copy. I am copying the same command. I want to show the difference. That's why I am copying the command. Control V. So I am taking limits LIMITS. This is common. If you want to. This is common command limits. Total limits will come down. It will come into, see this. This is the difference. Okay. So now I am copying this one. You see this one. I am copying this one. Control C. I am pasting in this text document. For example, here. Programming language and control. I am compiling. You see this document here. So there is no space created between two lines. Am I correct? Everything is in line. Am I correct? Suppose if you give this command here, what will happen? Control C. I'm taking this one. I'm taking. This one here I will do. Control V. Let's see the difference. Here, extra space came. Am I correct? Extra space extends to infinity, occupied one space. Okay. Okay. So if you want to write inline, you take this command. if you want to write, suppose if you want to write extends input in the down, we take this command. Okay, that is the thing. So next thing is, suppose I'm writing some more mathematical expression here. So how to get this max? This also same. I will complete this one, then I will go to next topic. Suppose max underscore, okay, x belongs to closed interval of AB. I want to write x belongs to R, or x belongs to closed interval of AB, like this. How to bring this symbol? X belongs to. How to bring this symbol? X belongs to \in. If you give a \in, the belongs to symbol will come. X in closed interval of A comma B, or open interval of A. Okay. F of x, f of t, f of x. You see this. It was compiled. Max x belongs to this f of x. Okay. Suppose if you want to write this one, if you take a limits, L, I, and S, limits, you compile this one, it will come like this. Okay. So this is about check similarly minimum and everything we can do with that one. So now I want to write this type of complicated mathematical expression for a bill. Epsilon, this epsilon symbol, epsilon greater than 0. There exists, control, this is comma, there exists delta greater than 0 such that also symbol is there, just such that modulus of f of x minus L less than epsilon. What belongs to this is epsilon. For all x belongs to A minus delta, A plus delta. So A minus delta, comma, A plus delta. This I want to type in LaTeX in my document. So it is very easy to write this type of statements. It is very easy. If you spend less than 1 minute to get this type of beautiful expression. You see this. We can create less than 1 minute. I am writing this one. You see this. What about this one? And dollar symbol. How to get for all symbol. For all. Already it came for all. I am selecting that one. For all. Epsilon. Epsilon greater than 0. This is the for every epsilon greater than 0. I got this. For every epsilon greater than 0, comma, there exists, dx exists, delta greater than 0. We know how to write a delta, delta, delta greater than 0, comma, such that such that is a if you such that you will get a small such that I am writing, such that also symbol is there, that symbol is, and first I will try with the symbol, /ni, such that is opposite to belongs to, such that symbol. This such that symbol is like this. This symbol is opposite to this in symbol. It belongs to symbol. This belongs to symbol is ni, in. Such that symbol, to get the such that symbol /ni. Okay, I am using the symbol first, then I will change the word. Okay, such that, what is the next? Modulus of. How to get the modulus? There is a symbol, modulus symbol, f of x in the keyboard, f of x minus L less than epsilon EPSI epsilon less than epsilon for all x belongs to x in A minus delta comma A plus delta. Okay. That's it. I am compiling this one. You see this. For every epsilon greater than 0, there exists delta greater than 0 such that modulus of f of x minus L is less than epsilon for all x belongs to A minus delta to A plus delta. Okay. Suppose if you want to give a space, so I want to give more space in between these two. How to get it? If you give for every epsilon greater than 0, if you give a space, you won't get. I am giving spaces, we won't get. We won't get spaces in between these two. In any place, not only in between dollar symbol. If you want to get a extra space, you have to give a command. You have to give a command. That command is \comma. If you give a \comma, here you will get a space between 0 and this symbol. In between, you see, I am compiling this. You see this. Some space came. Am I correct? If you want one more space, run this one. You see this space came. Otherwise, if you want more spaces, more space, you give \squared. You need. I'm running this one. See this space came. Okay, like this. Suppose I want to remove this ni. I want to type such that. What will I? I'm typing such that. You see the difference now. Such that came here, but it is in italic, not in text. Am I correct? Text means it will be like this. The entire thing is in italic. How to convert this? This we can change it as. We can change because everything is in dollar symbol. That's why it is coming like this. Okay. I am trimming this one. Such that. What we have to do? Try to get text in between brackets. I am typing such that. Now we compile. Now such that thing. Okay. If you want to space here, give \. That's it. Okay. So, like this we can get symbols. Suppose if you give $, what will happen? $, what will happen? $. The entire expression will be centered. You get a center. $. Okay. If you give $, between these two, you see this $. I will $. the entire mathematical expression will be centered. That I will discuss you later. That I will talk about. I will talk after half an hour. This double dollar, how to insert the equation, how to give the numbering, automatic numbering and everything. Okay. Now I am going to how to enter the df by dx, partial derivatives, integral symbols, summation symbols, like this. Now I am going to concentrate on them. Suppose after that I will start a LaTeX document. First we should know all these things. Then only we can easily type. You get confused. Okay. How to get a dy by dx? It is very simple. Why? Because dy dx. That is directly we get dy by dx, dy dt. It's not a big issue. Directly. Suppose if you want to get a partial derivatives, how to get it? Track numerator is partial, partial, dou f by dou x. Dou x means partial, dou f by dou x. You see this. Dou f by dou x. Okay. Suppose if you want to get dou square f by dou x square. I want to get dou square f by dou x. How to get? Square means dou square f by dou x square. Dou square f by dou x square. Dou square f by dou x square. Suppose if you want to get, we need dou square f by dou x dou y. Dou square f by dou square f by partial dou square f by dou f by partial dou f dou x partial y. Dollar symbol. I'm closing the dollar symbol. Now we compile it. So dou square of the dou x dou. Like that we can get all partial derivatives. Next after that, integral symbols. How to get the integral symbols? This command is int. Very simple. Int. No need to mention anything. Int. Integral symbol from f of x dx. Okay. Integrals. Suppose I want to get the limits also. Integral 0 to infinity, integral 0 to 1, like that. How to get it? Okay. So back same command int underscore limits, lower limit and upper limit. What is the minimum? 0 to infinity. 0 to maximum limit is, upper limit is infinity. INF t by infinity. Integral 0 to infinity x square plus 2x plus 1. I want to keep in brackets this entire integrand. I want to keep it in brackets. Dx. So you see this one, what will happen? Integral 0 to infinity x square plus 2x plus 1 dx. So again, I want to get like this. Integral, not like this. Integral here 0, here infinity. Not here infinity. Not infinity. Like this, not like this. At present I got like this. So for that, only the thing is what we have to do, backslash limits. We compile it. Okay, that's the thing. Suppose if you want to get double integral, dollar symbol, backslash, IINT, okay, double integral, f of x, y, f of x comma y. of xy dx dy. Double integral. Similarly, we get triple integral if you use one more line. Dx dy dz. Okay, triple integral. Triple integral. Now, sometimes we need like this symbols also. Like this. Integral over closure curve C, integral over C, integral over C, f of z dz, or f of x dx, whatever. F of z dz. Suppose I need this type of format. How to do it? How to get it? So this we can get. This we can get by giving. You see this dollar symbol. The command is OINT. O means integral over C. Integral over C. OINT underscore C. Integral over C. F of Z dz. Dollar symbol dz. We see this. What will happen? So integral over C. Integral over C. We want to get backslash down limits. The limit is limits. C will come down. Okay. Integral over C. Like this. Okay. Now I covered how to enter partial derivatives, integrals, limits, how to enter basic idea I given. Now I am going to suppose I want to get like this symbol. Summation n is equal to 1 to n square is equal to something. We know this formula, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. The sum of squares of first and natural numbers. I want to get this type of symbol in my LaTeX document. Plus 1 by 6. How to get this? This we know. This we can easily get by taking the command dfrag, backslash dfrag. How to get this? So now, the sum of squares of n natural numbers, that is delta dollar symbol. How to get the summation symbol? Command is backslash lower limits and upper limits. Lower limits n is equal to 1. Lower limit, upper limit is n. Summation n is equal to this we have now. Summation n is equal to 1 to n square next. N square n cap 2. Smaller n cap 2 is equal to dfrag n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Dollars. I am running this one. What will happen? I am running this document. The sum of squares of first and natural numbers, that is summation n is equal to 1 to n square is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 n plus 1 6. Again, here I want to keep this values down. Back limits Li and Ts. Here n, you see this one, this n. N is in not mathematical, italic. So if you want to get italic notation, you give it as dollar symbol between these two. Between these two. You see the difference. Now N is like this. Now I am compiling this one. I got different N. Okay, mathematical symbol, italic name. Okay. And this is about sum. A summation of N is equal to 1 to N square, N into N plus 1. And I want to write it as an and. I continue. And sum of first N natural numbers. N natural numbers is that is how to do this one summation backslash sum. Am I correct? N is equal to 1 to N is equal to in fact what is the formula N into N plus 1 by 2? Am I correct? N into N plus 1 by 2. Now I am compiling this document. I'm compiling this document. You see the difference. You see this one. Here it came like this. Here it came like this. One space is occupied between these two lines because here there is no space occupied. Okay. So depending upon your convenient, you can take any one of these formats. Okay. You can take any one of the formats. So with this, I'm going to how to enter matrices in LaTeX matrices. So this is also very important concept, how to enter matrices. There are so many types of matrices we have. So types means not different, only one type matrix is one type. So we will enter like this sometimes. Okay, we will enter sometimes we like this. Sometimes we will enter like this. Determinant. Sometimes we will enter norm value, norm. Sometimes we need without braces, only matrix. Okay. Sometimes we won't use this one. Sometimes we need this type of structure also. Curly braces. For different, so there are so many things. Now one by one I will enter. So we should be careful. So you have to follow the syntax. The syntax is first dollar symbol, matrix A is equal to begin matrix. This is a command for matrix. Begin matrix. Begin matrix, I am entering N matrix. In between, we have to enter the matrix. Begin matrix and N matrix. And we have to clearly listen, this will get a confusion. So dollar symbol for mathematics notation. Okay, begin matrix means we have to use dollar symbol. So in between we have to enter a matrix. How to enter a matrix? First I am planning to enter 3 by 3 matrix, for example. I am planning to enter one 3 by 3 matrix. So one, we have to give ampersand symbol. Ampersand symbol in LaTeX, ampersand symbol gives alignment. I will tell you what is meant by alignment. 1, 2, 3. Just to listen. Next line. 4. Alignment. 5. Alignment. 6. Backslash. 7. There is no need to give space also. Alignment. 8. Alignment. 9. There is no need to space also. I given a space. Here I didn't give any space. Okay. You see, combine it. So alignment means I am telling you right 1. Next in between you start 2. I am aligning 2. All 2s I am aligning. All 2, 2, 5, 8. I aligned in one line. 2, 5, 8. 3, 6, 9. I aligned in one line. Suppose if you give it 60, what will happen here? Okay. Automatically space will be adjusted. Did you understand my point? So what is the matrix? If you take a ordinary matrix, we won't get any braces. If you want to get a braces, you have to use B matrix. No, the same thing I will copy, because then we can understand. I'm copying this one. Control C. Control V. I am giving B matrix. Begin B matrix and B matrix. What will happen? The matrix with braces. Okay. Otherwise, side by side, I will give so that we can easily understand. Okay. Braces. Spare braces will get. Okay. Next thing. Control V. Same matrix. P matrix. P matrix. P matrix means ordinary braces. Ordinary braces. Ordinary braces. Suppose if you give Control V, capital B matrix, what will happen? Capital B matrix. We get curly braces. Curly braces. So backslash Control V. I am taking V matrix. V matrix means determinant. Determinant will get. Determinant will get. Determinant symbol, not determinant value. Determinant symbol will get. Determinant symbol will get. Okay. Next. So there is another Control V, capital B. Norm. This is for norm. That's capital B. Norm. Okay. So I hope you understand this method, no? How to enter a matrix. There is no need to give spaces, but to understand, I given spaces. Okay. Alignment will come like this. Okay. Next. Now I want to enter a different type of matrix. For example, so most of the times you will see this type of matrices. A11, A12, dotted lines, dotted up to and so on, A1n. Okay, A21, A22, and so on, A2n, next, and so on, vertical cuts, AM1, AM1, AM2. Diagonal dots, I want to get diagonal dots, and horizontal dots, A, Mn. How to get this type of matrix in that way. So I will enter this matrix, you see this one. So first dollar symbol, now we will concentrate on this one. Dollar symbol, okay, A is equal to, what we have to write immediately? Begin matrix, begin P matrix, begin P matrix. P matrix means open braces again. Okay. In between we have to write, and also I am using, otherwise we will forget the others. We'll show you other again. How to write A1, A underscore 11, A11. Alignment. That means you start next line, next. A11, A12 means side by side it will write. Alignment. A1, A underscore 12. Alignment. Now dots, I have to get sort. C dots. The command is C dots. Okay. alignment. C dot means horizontal dots. V dot means vertical dots. D dot means diagonal dots. We get A underscore 1N. First line entered. Next A underscore 1 2. Alignment A underscore ampersand symbol otherwise. Not first, second row, first column. Sorry. Second row, first column. Second row, second column. C dots. Alignment A underscore 2N. So first I will enter whether we are getting this. You see this. Okay. Okay. Now, what I have to do? I have to do next line. Now, vertical dots we need. V dots. Like V dots. Alignment. V dots. Alignment. V dots. This I got now. This red, it is not visible. Red dots. I am going to get red dots. Here also red dots will come. Vertical dots I agree. I will change it. I will run it. First I will run it. Then. Now here dots come like this. Am I correct? So I want to make it as a diagonal dots. I don't want to take this like this. E dots in here. What will happen? Now you see this. D dots. Now I am copying this first line by because almost no need to type again and again. Control C. Control V. So instead of A11, that will be M1. Am I correct? M1, M2, and now we run. Okay. So 1 hour 50. If you have any doubts, you can ask now. Otherwise, I will continue. If you any doubts on this, then otherwise, next thing, I want to take some advanced symbols like degree equation. So now, so far we don't know how to give a numbering in LaTeX. Am I correct? How to give a number to an equation. So that should be generated automatically. So now I am going to some advanced commands like this. So see this. Begin equation. There is a, now I am going to enter begin equation. If you want to use begin equation, don't need to use dollar symbol. Already I am telling mathematical equation. Okay. So in between we have to type equation, begin equation and equation. Okay. Suppose I want to type some big equation like this, like summation n is equal to 1 sum infinity a underscore an square plus bn square into d di dn. Some value is there, n is equal to n plus 1. Some value I have this type of expression, n plus 1 whole square. N plus 1. So I want to enter this equation. I want to give it as a name. I want to refer this equation number in another in next page paragraph. I want to refer. The above equation gives some value, something. I will tell anything you can write there. Okay, like this. How to get it? This beginning equation and equation. Let's say sum. Okay, minimum value n is equal to 1 to n. I is equal to 1 to n otherwise. I you take every time we are taking I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, I want to get ai square. I want to get suffix and as well as suffix. Okay, a underscore I cap n square, you know, ai square plus b I square is equal to into some di square is there, d underscore I cap is equal to n plus 1 whole square that I wrote there, n plus 1 whole square. So what will happen if you run this? Well, you see this, I am minimizing this one. Automatically number will come. Automatic number will come. The entire thing will be centered. Okay. For example, some theorem is there. Something is there. The value of sum of degrees of a graph. No, that is not correct actually. I am writing something. G of G is given by some statement. I am taking this double slash. Okay. The entire thing will be centered. Automatically number will come. Okay, automatic numbering will come. Suppose if you don't want number, we'll give star. If you give star, number will disappear. This is same as double dollar. Both will be, I am copying this one. Control C. I am taking Control V. Double dollar. Both will be the same. Output. Same. If you want to get an equation number, you take begin equation, end equation. If you don't want a number, we can use double dollar. We can use the double dollar. So if you want to use, we use the equation, begin equation, end equation to give the number only. Okay, to give the number. What is the advantage of this numbering? So we can label this number also. Okay, label means, for example, label LABL. EQL. And taking is EQL. I labeled this. This is the advantage of LaTeX. The equation, I am referring the equation. Refer equation 1. Okay, represents the value of the energy of the graph. Energy, for example, what will happen? Run this. What? So automatically number 1 will be here. Okay. Suppose I am copying same value. Control C. And Control C. And Control V. Not here, control X. Let me see equation. Control V. And copying some material here. Control C. I think I'm copying this. I'm copying here. Control V. I'm running this, not black. You see this one, automatically I gave a label to this number. Am I correct? You see this one, two equations came. One label I am removing, and one label I am removing this label. I am running this. One second, I am running. Just wait. Okay, equation 1, equation 2. You see this one. Here, equation 1, I have given it, I referred this equation. Okay? I referred this equation number 1. Suppose I am removing here, for this, I am giving label here. Control P. See this. Equation 2 represents. This equation 2 represents. Suppose I have given another label for this. LA. If you have any doubts, you ask this very important point I'm telling. EQN1, for example. I have given two labels. Okay. Now, two equations, two labels are there. And also versus refer equation 1 represents, gives the value of something. See this. Equation 1 gives something. Suppose in between if you enter one more equation, what will happen? Suppose I am entering one more equation here. Begin equation x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. Previously equation 2, equation 1 is there. Now third equation will come in between these two. X plus y is equal to 10. Now this equation became a 3. Automatically the equation 3. Here it came 1. Did you understand my point? Automatically numbers will be changed. So don't worry, we should not concentrate on that point. Control C. I am giving it here. The same thing I am giving here. X square plus y square is equal to 10. X square plus y square is equal to 10. So now this equation 1, this is 2, 3, 4. Now it became a 4, this will become as 2. Okay, this is the cross-reference. Some disadvantages are there. There are some disadvantages are there for this equation, beginning equation and end equation. The disadvantage of this beginning equation and end equation is, you see this one, I am copying this one, this beginning equation. I want to enter one more equation below to the x plus y is equal to 10. Usually, if you give a double slash, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y is 3y plus z is equal to some 100. So I have to get I want to get another equation below to the number, below to the x plus y is equal to 10. If I run, I won't get like that. You see this? Okay, that is a disadvantage of equation, begin equation. So if you use the begin equation, we can enter only one equation that will be centered and we'll get a number, equation number. Okay, so how to enter more than one equation, more than one equation in LaTeX in a systematic manner, in a alignment manner. That is, there is a beautiful command. Because most of the LaTeX users use that one, that is begin align. The command name is begin align. Most of the LaTeX users use the begin align to enter more than one equation. For example, I am typing. What is that command? Begin align, A-L-I-G-N. So now alignment will come, the numbering will come, the alignment will come. We can enter more than one equation. Everything we can do in this align. Numbering also we can do. If you want a number particular equation, we can give a particular number equation. When everything will explain, it takes 5 to 6 minutes. You see this. And take a simple equation, x plus y plus z is equal to sum 10. Alignment, I am giving alignment symbol here. I will tell you why I am giving this alignment symbol. X dash. And also one more thing I want to, not only the advantage of this one, a lot of advantages are there, I will tell you first. Suppose I want to write this one is equal to n square plus 2n plus 1 okay, and is less than or equal to n square like this. I want to get a structure like this. Systematically, everything should be aligned like this. N square, not this, not greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal, not less than or equal. Sorry. Greater than or equal. I'm removing now. Greater than or equal to n square. Because n is positive here. N is positive. So if you remove 2n plus 1, this left hand side will be the bigger value than the right hand side. Okay. I want to get this type of alignment. That is not possible using begin equation and end equation. That will be possible with align command. Begin align command. Okay. 2x plus y is equal to alignment 1 slash x plus x minus g is equal to alignment. I will tell you the reason what is alignment value. 100. Okay. Now I am running this one. What will happen? You see this equation. Everything is aligned. Am I correct? Everything is aligned. So I want to get equality at this place. This is aligned. Equation numbers can 6, 7, 8. Suppose if you give a star, numbers will not come. Numbering will not come. Suppose I want a number for a particular equation. So I want to get a number for this equation only. Last equation or middle. So what we have to do? No number. We'll run this one. What will happen? Whether I'm getting a number, we take first. So no number came for this equation. Am I correct or not? No number is there for x plus y plus z is equal to 10. Suppose I don't want this number also. No number. Previously see the equation number 4 and with 4 automatically 5 will come in. Automatic number generation. Automatically numbers will be generated. Okay, suppose if you give this, if you remove this number, you can easily understand. No? 5 6. It came 5 6. Okay, like this. Shall I give break, sir, Rajendra sir? Whether I have to continue?
Sir, now we will have a break of 15 minutes and reassemble at 11:45.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. If you have
Right.
any doubt, you can anyone can ask the questions. If you have any doubts on this.
In the next session, we will take the doubts, sir.
Okay, okay, sir.
Now please be there at 11:45. We will assemble again and continue the lecture. Right?
Okay, sir.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Sir, Rajendra sir, shall I start? Rajendra sir. Participants, shall I start? Any proceedings?
Yes, sir. We are ready.
Yes, sir.
Can I?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, for example, so the advantage and one more advantage of this align command is, for example, I'm begin align and align. I'm copying the previous equation. Control C. Okay, this is same as begin equation and equation. For example, if you give alignment here and I'm giving alignment, next I'm starting the align is equal to alignment. This I'm expanding n plus 1 whole square. N cap 2 plus 2n plus 1. What will happen? Automatically, we get this type of output. This value is equal to this value, this value is equal to this value. Equality will be aligned. Okay. Suppose I want to write this is greater than or equal to some value. Greater than or equal to some value. So this backslash DEQ greater than or equal to alignment. What is the value? Suppose n square. You see this. Everything was aligned very nice properly. Okay. Suppose if you remove this greater than, it starts in numbering will come for each and every equation, for each and every expression. This value number 8 like this. Okay. Okay. Suppose if you want to write enter every time it is coming centering, I want to start in the left. I want to start. This is the page. Let us assume that. This is my A4 paper. This is my A4 paper. I want to start here from the left side, equal to some value, equal to some value, equal to some value like this. How to get this type of output? How to do that? So there is another command for that one. There is another command. Backslash begin FL align. Okay. Suppose I'm writing n plus 1. With this I will pose this type of equation. Next I will move to another topic. N plus 1 whole cube is equal to aligned n cube plus 3n square plus 3n plus 1. Okay. 3n plus 1. Again we have to do alignment, single alignment. Next line is equal to something. It may or may not be correct. Is equal to Greater than or equal to and clear. Next one. Like this. You see this entire thing came to left hand side. Equation will work on like this. Okay. We want to bring this entire value to left hand side. We have to take the FL align. And we have to give dollar symbol here, ampersand symbol here also. Okay. I hope you understand different methods to enter a equation in LaTeX. Now I am moving to another topic, that is the most important one. For example, I am copying some running matter like this. See. For me, in this lecture, I would like to cover the following topics. I want to give a bulletins side by side. In this lecture, I want to give a bulletin. I want to cover the following topics like this. This is common to all. This will be useful each and every faculty. Suppose running matter is there, something. I want to give a bulletins, my talk. Like this, bulletins. Bulletins I want to write here. I want to write something like this. How can we get this? How can we get this type of structure in LaTeX? The command is begin, enumerate, itemize first. Two things are there: begin, itemize, and itemize. Getting started with MATLAB. Item. Begin item, end item, begin itemize, end itemize, item. Item is predefined MATLAB functions. Item. Handling of arrays and matrices. And running this one. You see how it will be. It will come bulletins like this. Getting started. Itemize. Suppose if you give one more item. So we can change these dots also. If you give star, I am giving another value here, star. Star will come here. Star will appear in the place of dot. Okay. Predefined MATLAB function. Basics of linear algebra. See this. If you can, this is optional. Okay. So item. Now in this one, arrays and matrices. That's right. I want to give subtopics. For example, I want to give subtopics in this. How to do this? I want to give subtopics. Handling of arrays and matrices. I want to give subtopics. How to do that one? Again, it should start from, again, we have to get subtopics. Begin again. Begin, itemize, and itemize. Okay, item. Indexing of arrays. Next. Something linear algebra concepts like this. Next item plotting techniques. I'm running this. Let's see this. In this handling of arrays and matrices, we can give subtopics. Again, plotting techniques. Plotting techniques. In this one, we can give again Control C, subtopics. 2D plotting, 2D plotting, 3D plotting. This I'm giving this. Okay, like this. Subtopics also we can. Here also we can mention again begin item. Again it will come again. Another itemize. Itemize, in itemize, again itemize also we can. Like this. Okay. This is one thing. Next. And one more thing is enumerate is also there. Enumerate means those. I want to make it as a running item. That's Control C. Now I am copying entire thing. Yes, it is. And itemize. Control C. Control V. Instead of itemize, I am taking enumerate. Begin. Enumerate. Begin enumerate and enumerate. What will happen? You check it. Enumerate and enumerate. So what will be done? It's a spelling mistake, I think. Maybe command spelling mistake for this. Enumerate. And this one. I'm copying this one. Control C. Control V. Control V. Remove this one. Delete. Down. Numbering window. You see this numbering. Did you understand difference? Here, bulletins came here for itemize. Here enumerate, numbering will came. Numbering came. Otherwise, new page I will stop. I will start the new page. So you can easily new page. New page. One. Okay. This I have taken this numbering. If you want to get the numbering, you have to use enumerate. If you want to get bulletins, we use itemize. Here, in enumerate, I used itemize. Okay. This is about enumerate and itemize. Next thing is how to plot, how to insert images in LaTeX. Images in LaTeX. So if you want to insert any image in LaTeX, first you have to save that image. First I am saving this file. Okay, save as, otherwise, save as. That will be saved in LaTeX document text file. I am today, Haryana, date 23/11/2020. I am saving the file. Okay, I am saving this one. Okay, I am running this file. Okay, entire thing, text file and PDF file will be stored in text file. Text file folder. This is the text file folder. Haryana. Type Haryana. These are my Haryana files. This is the This is the my PDF file. This is my PDF file. Okay, this is the PDF file. Okay, these are the text file that is there present. Now I am closing this one. It is my permanent file. I am closing. If you click this one, automatically that corresponding text file will be open, corresponding PDF. Okay. I am taking. Okay. Suppose if you want to insert a symbol, first you have to save the text file. First, that is the first point. Next thing is, suppose I want to insert one image, like some image in my text folder, in my text PDF file. First, you have to save the corresponding image in the text folder, text file folder. These are the images. For example, one is there here. One is there. This file. This image I want to insert in my LaTeX document. Otherwise, I want to insert 2 this image in my text folder, text file, LaTeX file. How to do this one? For this, first of all, we have to use one package. First, we have to use one package. The package name is use package / use package. Package name is graphics. This one, graphics. First, we have to use the package. Next, how to insert? Suppose I want to insert here. I want to insert here or in middle, whatever. What we have to do? Begin. Just command is begin. BEGIN. Begin figure. Figure. Begin figure. And end figure. In between, we have to give this figure. Figure name. Include graphics. The command is include graphics image file. Include graphics it came. Okay. Include graphics. Next, in that one, you have to tell the image file name. File name you have to give. So there, so many files are there in my text folder. In my text folder, so many files are there. Am I correct? Any file name you can give. 5, for example, image number 5. What is this one? Something is there. I move on this one. I want to give some more. Logo. I want to insert some logo. What is this one? OCT1. I will insert my image. What is the others? Okay. Image KSR is there. My image is there here. KSR. File name. Logo. MNK. There is a key. KSR. My image is there. I want to insert this image in my text folder. Text file. So image name is include graphics KSR. File name is KSR. Just to give KSR. Width also we have to tell. First we see the output. Then we can change the width. That's the only thing we have to give. So if you want to make it as a center, you can make it. If you want to do the captions, we can do the caption. Everything. First we will see this one. But how it will do the output. This image came here, but it is very big image. Am I correct? It is big. Suppose I want to reduce this image. I want to reduce this image. Okay. I want to reduce this image. That is a width. Capital width. Width is equal to K. Width is equal to 50 mm. 50 mm. Otherwise, you can change. That is not a big issue. Depending upon the size of the image, it will come. Okay. Now image was reduced. Okay. Now it will go to it will be at top. It is displayed at the top. So we can fix the position also. We can fix the position by H. You see this one. It will come exact position. After this 3D plotting or 3D plotting, immediately I am telling, immediately you plot this image. You plot this image, I am telling. So it is not centered. If you want to get the center, backslash centering. Image will get centered. Image will be centered. Image will be centered. And also we giving the captions. Caption command also very useful command. Caption. Caption. This one. PSR. PSR. Yes. Okay. Okay, caption we can give. So like this we can do. So if you have any doubts, just how to include, if you have any doubts on this topic, just be typing Google. So many videos will come, so many documents will come. How to include graphics in images in LaTeX folder, LaTeX file, text file, LaTeX folder. Automatically, this is the way of inserting the images. For that we need one graph package. We have to give this package. Use package graphics, GRAPHACX, not graphics. Use package GRAPHACX graphics. Then begin figure, end figure, begin figure, end figure. So I'm taking logo, for example. My logo. Some logo is there. You might have seen that one. Some logo. It's a MATLAB logo. Okay, logo K. So only the file name you have to give. Yes, underscore S is there. Another logo is there. My university logo. Okay, like this we can get images in the text file, in PDF file. This is about inserting images. Next, how to insert a tables. This is very interesting topic in LaTeX. How to insert a tables. So for that we use the command begin tabular. This command name is begin tabular. So I'm inserting. Then I will move to new document. I will tell how to give a title, how to give your affiliation, how to give abstract. Okay, how to give abstract, how to give the sectioning, how to give the sections, how to give the bibliographies, how to enter references, everything I will tell. I covered the basics. It's not complete demo of LaTeX. So I explained different important concepts in LaTeX. So this another concept is begin tabular, end tabular. With that begin tabular, end tabular, you can create a tables in LaTeX. For example, the command is begin tabular. Here columns we have. What are the columns? How many columns you are taking? I hope you know the columns and rows, everything, no? Tabular concept. Suppose I want to create a table like this. Serial number. So if you conduct any experiment, that will write a serial number. So otherwise general I am telling, name of the faculty, designation, for example qualification, and experience. So I want to make a table. Our papers are added to the faculty. experience. I want to get a table like this. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns are there. 5 columns. There is no need to mention the rows in the table. Okay, columns. 5 columns. 5 columns means C, 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 C. C means everything I am making it center. L means left alignment. C means center. R means right alignment. Okay, that is the meaning. C, 5 columns I am creating. 5 columns I am creating. 5 columns. Immediately I have to give horizontal line. H line. Horizontal line. Next, what is the next line? Next thing. Not this line. First. This is the close down. Q. Whiteboard I close. Okay. I have drawn this horizontal line. First. Next serial number like this pattern. Okay. Next. How to do the serial number? Serial number. Serial number. Next, alignment. Alignment means next. Next column. It will move to next column. Serial number. Name of the faculty. Faculty. Alignment. Qualifications. Designation. Designation. Next. Dollars. Alignment. Experience. 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 Backslash. Next line. It is coming like this. It is coming. It should not come like this. Okay, we'll check it. Any mistakes are there? I'll rectify. H line. H line. It is coming. Okay. Serial number. First H line. First line. Next line. Serial number 1. Alignment. Case Srinivas Rao, Dr. Case Rao. Case Srinivas. It's not coming back. Dr. Case Srinivas. Professor and head. Ampersand symbol. Ampersand. How to get this and symbol? So if you want to do the backslash word. Otherwise it takes a alignment. Professor and head. Alignment. Experience of 27 years. Backslash. H line. Horizontal line. H line. I will check it. I am getting small doubt here. Why it is coming? Begin tabular, end tabular. Correct. I have given. Okay, I will run it. If any mistakes. Begin tabular, any. Yes, I got it. So maybe something. Okay, you see this. One thing I would like to tell you here. By default, LaTeX tables are very tight. Very tight. So we can change this, everything we can change. Okay. And also if you give like this here we get verticals. I am giving vertical lines. It will come lines also. So that you can understand. Okay. Okay. Dotted lines. Now one more thing is that everything I centered. Everything will be centered here. Professor and head is centered. Experience is centered. Everything C I put. Suppose next line. I am taking the same command. Control C. Control V. I am changing to the name I am taking from this participant. Whoever is there. I am taking some doctor Dr. Yogesh Kumar. Dr. Yogesh Kumar, I am taking writing. So Rajan, Dr. Yogesh Kumar. Yogesh Kumar. Yogesh Kumar. Assistant professor or something is there in designation. I'm assuming his experience is 10 years. Yogesh Kumar. I'm running this one. See this. Okay, like this. We can generate the tables. How to change this? How to change the size and everything that we can do. It takes time. Only 40 minutes are there. 12:30 I will start this one. Group something. Some commands are there to make some more thing. You can give left also. That's right. This also I will tell. Then you get an idea. You see this one I am running. Running this one. Left aligned. This actually this data is left aligned. You have to enter some more command, then only we get it. See one. How many values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 columns are given. 1, 2, 3, 4 only I entered. That's why it is giving error. Why it is giving error? Okay, I am removing this one. Why it is giving error? Okay, that's it. Now it was removed. Did you understand? This actually 4 columns are there. I have given 5 columns. That's why it is showing error. Some not error, green color came, blue color, yellow color came. Now I am giving left alignment. Left alignment. So, okay, run. Now, this left alignment. Have you seen the left alignment now? Left alignment. This is center alignment. L or right alignment. If you give right alignment, or see this one. Everything is this entire block right alignment. Okay, that is about alignment. So I told by default the LaTeX tables are very tight. How to give the space, more space in this, more space in between 2 rows. That is, there are commands. You have to use the command. Directly you cannot give anything in between. The command name is renew something. Renew. I will click on renew command. Okay. Renew command. Here you have to mention what you want to mention this. I want to stretch the array. We will stretch. Array stretch. stretch. It is very important, otherwise it will show error. So 1.7, 1.5, 1.7. And doing like this. Okay. What will happen if you do like this? I am stretching the. Oh, sorry. Here we should not give. Before that, I am giving this one. And this one. Control X. Control V. I hope it will work. Otherwise, I'll check it. Yes. Okay. You should not give below table by mistake. I hope you understand. Now, this table was stretched. Okay. And also we can give begin. Now we can give begin center also. Begin center. Here we can give begin center. Everything will be center. Begin center. The table will be centered. Begin center, end center. I'm copying this one, Control X. The big concept this one, the arrays, table concept is a big concept. Begin center, end center. Begin table. Here we have to do end table. Control. Now I'm running. Table will be centered. Okay. Previously I got center because here I given centering. This centering is came here. That's the reason. I used another command, so again I have to give begin center and center. Okay, that's it. So I hope you understand how to create a tables in LaTeX. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask on this one. Last half an hour, I will try to explain how to create a research article using LaTeX. So I am going to top. Okay. So now you should you have to concentrate on my only limited half an hour time is there. I try to explain how to create affiliation, how to create give a name and everything. So here before begin document is there. After that we have to start. Am I correct? I want to give a title. The command is title. Title name is demo on LaTeX. Demo on LaTeX. This is my title. Okay. So immediately title, make title value. Then only make title. Only title, I am not giving any other name, nothing. Only title, demo on LaTeX. Okay, I am running this one. What will happen? Demo on LaTeX. Okay, demo on LaTeX number. Date auto by default, date will be displayed. If you want to remove the date, so you have to get command like this. Before make title, you have to give date. Text. I don't want to give a date. So only demo on LaTeX. Now we have to introduce, I have to enter other name, affiliation and everything. So demo on LaTeX, here I want to standard format is there, LaTeX, LaTeX. If you give like this, what will happen? Okay. So we see the difference. This is the LaTeX. Okay. Standard. Okay. Now I want to give the other name. Title is there. Next, other. AUTHOR. Other name. For example, my name is, I am writing my name is Srinivasarao. So make that. Here, up to this one, there is no problem. Suppose if you want to give an affiliation, the problem will start. Now my name will come, date will be removed, everything will be removed. Everything is fine. Suppose if you want to give an affiliation, you have to use one package. Affiliation, so many things will come in the affiliation. That is separate package is there. For that, we have to use one package. Use package, well-known package. This one everyone familiar with this one. Use package. Auth play BLK. Other block. Others block. We call it the others block. Okay. Others block. Now I want to give you my affiliation. How to give you affiliation? AFFIR. That's a command, affiliation command. In between, I have to do my affiliation. Okay, Department of Mathematics. Everyone should follow this, very interesting. Because so many things I will tell. Different. Suppose first order affiliation is different, second order affiliation is different, first and third order affiliation is same. Like that, I will take permutation and combinations. Department of Mathematics. Department of Mathematics. / Sri University Chandrasekhar Saraswati Vishwanath Vidyalaya. Kanchi saree is famous, that's my native place. Kanchi Kamakshi, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. So now I am running this. We see this. Now it will come. It takes time because first time I used this. The first time I used this use package, that's why it took time. Okay, this is the thing. Next thing, so this is a single other. Okay, so another, my same department, my for example, no need to write anything. And some Dr. Rajesh, for example. Both are from same department. Doctor is not good in. We should not write in the proper doctor and all this. Rajesh Kumar, Rajendra Kumar, sir. Okay. Okay, this is the thing. Now this is only both two others belongs to the same affiliation. Now, suppose one other is one affiliation, second other is another affiliation. So we can give like this also. Am I correct? For example, this is one way. Other affiliation, like this we can. Other affiliation, another other. No, nowadays no one is using this type. Most of the others, most of the journals prefer different affiliation. Even though I am writing other name, affiliate, for example, Rajendra Kumar. Am I correct, sir? Rajendra Kumar. Rajendra Kumar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Affiliation, AFFIR. For example, some college, some BVK, something. Department. Electronics and communication. Because I need these values to explain. Second stage. Okay. University name, BAV, I forget. BAV University. BAV University. Haryana. I don't know exactly, maybe. Okay. You see this one. Other name, other affiliation. Okay. Other affiliation. So I don't want like this. I want like this. Other name. I want to mention affiliation, down affiliation. For that, we have to give in different manner. We should not give like this. The method is, you see this one. Here other, I am mentioning, I am giving keyword 1. So other 2. Other is second one. I want to control X. I want to write first others. Okay. First other, second other. First other affiliation is this one. Not first other affiliation is this one. Second other affiliation is this one. Okay. Other one, other two. First other affiliation is this one. Second other affiliation is this one. I'm running. So most of the journals are preferring like this. Now, you see this. You see this. You see this one. His case Srinivasa affiliation is Department of Mathematics, Sri Chandrasekhar and Samson. So next Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So this other affiliation, this number 2 represents this 2. Two others, 2 different affiliations. Suppose 3 others are there in this paper. One more other is there. He is the third other of my paper. This paper. He belongs to my department. He belongs to my department, or he belongs to Rajendra Kumar department. How to give this affiliation? Did you understand my point? There three others are there in the paper. Three others are there. First other and third other are the belongs to one affiliation. Second other belongs to another affiliation. How to give it this? How to give affiliation? Okay. Some more author is there now. Other is from. We should not give three. One. He belongs to my department. Okay. It belongs to me. Some I will take a name from some other. Sukhvinder Singh. Sukhvinder Singh. I will take Sukhvinder Singh. Sukhvinder spelling I don't know. Sukhvinder Singh. So what I want to tell now, you see the output. Three others are there, two different affiliations. Three others are there in this one. First other, second other, third other. First and third other belongs to one category. Middle other belongs to another category. I am running this. You see this. Now you can easily understand. So first other, this one. This is not an other. This is the other. So this one belongs to first candidate, first other and third other belongs to this department. Second other belongs to this department. Okay. Suppose one more other is there, fourth other belongs to second category. This I am taking permutation and permutations. Okay. So I am taking one more other. He belongs to the Department of Electronics and Communication, BEV University, Haryana, Chandigarh. So how to take this? And we have to mention two. And we have to give other name. I am taking from this one. So Seema Bhayana, for example. Seema Bhayana. Now I will run this. What will happen? You see this one. First other, these two. Sukhvinder Singh and K. Srinivasa belongs to Department of Mathematics, Sri Chandrasekharendra Saraswati Vishwa Mahavidyalaya, Kanchipuram, Tamil Nadu, and Rajendra Kumar and Seema Bhayana belongs to Department of Electronics and Communication, BAV University. Okay. Here, the one difficulty is there. One problem is there. How to mention email IDs? Am I correct, Amit? Sometimes we have to mention email IDs. Am I correct, Amit? Email IDs. Here we cannot do the email IDs. Am I correct? My email ID is there. How can I mention? There is a command. It's a very interesting command that will give email ID notation also. That is a thing. K. Srinivasa, for example. K. Srinivasa. Thanks command. That called the thanks command. Thanks command text. But text, I want to write my email. Get yahoo.com. So similarly, Sukendra. Thanks. Rajendra. For example, Rajendra @yahoo.com. Yeah, something. Give me at gmail.com, for example. Gmail.com. Again, thanks command. Sing @gmail.com. Next, again, thanks. Seema @gmail.com. How I am running? What will happen? Now the emails will come top of the and down of the page, first page. Emails will come here. You see this one. Here two things are there. One star and one. One is for affiliation. Star is for. I will make it. Okay. Star is for email ID. One is for affiliation. These are the different options. Are the different journals will are following. Different journals are following different affiliation techniques. There is no problem. We can copy. If your paper is accepted, definitely they will provide the template. According to that, we can do that. That's not a big issue. Okay. That's not a big issue. Now, this first thing is how to give it. I told different permutations. Am I correct? Different permutations and combination. Immediately, what will come? Immediately after completion of title, title and affiliation, abstract will come. Am I correct? So begin next. Begin abstract. Begin abstract. Begin abstract. Abstract. Begin abstract and then abstract. Okay. Now I am copying this one as my abstract. Control C. Control V. Run. It's an abstract. Okay. It's my abstract. Title, affiliations, abstract. Immediately what will come? Immediately after the affiliation, abstract, keywords. Am I correct? Keywords will come. Am I correct? Keywords, IMS subject classification, everything will come. Okay, keywords. It's a MATLAB demo that technique. That next. We can write preparing tables. Okay. Insert. That's something I'm writing. It's like these are my keywords. Next, subject classification. Okay. Classification. Some numbers will come XX, some then write it equals C1 like this. By 564. Now we see what will happen. Okay. Keywords. Immediately what we have to write? Introduction. We start with the introduction. Introduction. Now we should be careful. Introduction. Introduction means how to give introduction. Introduction means numbering. Automatically numbering will come automatically. Section. There is no begin section. Right? Because there is no end section, the begin section in this introduction. Introduction. Okay. And again control V. Control V. This is run this code. Introduction point. Numbering will come automatically. Section. Now this is my LaTeX. This is the introduction. You see the beauty. You see the alignment, proper alignment. Everything will come perfect. Everything will come beautifully. Okay. Now I want to give another section here. For example, subsection. Or otherwise, first we will complete the section and then we'll go to subsection. Another section. There is no need to give subsection in this one. What is the title? This one, for example, mathematical symbols. Mathematical symbols. This one. Symbols. Section, another section. Now you see this one. Introduction, mathematical symbols. It will go like this. Mathematical symbol. Suppose I want to do subsection, subsection. 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 Subsection only, not subsection. If any mistake, I will rectify. Inserting Greek letters. Greek letters. Any mistake, I will rectify. Subsection. Oh yes, 2.1 came. 2 point. Automatically number will be generated. Don't worry. You should not bother about this. Automatically number will be generated. Suppose if you want to give subsection. I want to give subsection here. Give it. Here. Subsection. Inserting. Integral symbols. I'm writing integral symbols. We run this. You see the size. Mathematical symbols, inserting Greek letters, subsections, inserting integral symbols. Automatically numbering will be changed. Okay, numbering will be changed. Automatically numbering will be generated. Okay, like this we can do subsections. Okay, subsections, sections, and all this. So actually, 3 hours is not sufficient to cover all the topics in it. I am trying my level best to cover the basic important concepts. Okay, now how to give, next thing is how to give, what is missing last at the end, this one, what is the bibliography, references. Am I correct? This is most important, bibliography, references. How to create references for my background. With that I will close. Only 10 minutes is there. That I will close. The command is begin bibliography. Here this is very important. This we should take it. So 19 number, maximum number. That will give bibliography. Bibliography, begin the bibliography and the bibliography. This is open braces you have to give. That is a number. If you want to, if it is only one digit up to 9, less than 10, we'll give 9. If it is less than 100, we'll give 99 like that. Otherwise, it will take automatically, not a problem. You can keep it as an empty also. How to give the affiliation? How to insert a reference. Be byte, side key. Okay, that I am taking as first I am keeping as empty. So author name is Srinivas Rao. So title is energy of a graph. One two others are taken. Vedana is scholar. Lakshmi, publishing. IGP information. And we cannot give this in the backslash and we run applied mathematics. Forget the name, for example, volume 3, page number, page number. No need to mention page number 125 to 136. Okay. This is my big item. Here I want to give one case. Here, but I will tell you what is this one case. I will tell you later. You run this one, what will happen? Now references came. First reference is 1. This I have given as a keyword case that will not be appear in the text. That will not appear in the text. So I want to cite this paper in my document. I want to cite this paper. So I want to cite here. I want to cite my paper. CIT cite case. Like this, what I am compiling this. My paper was cited here. Why? Because my keyword is case. My keyword is case. Same number we can tell also. 1 also we can do. Okay. Next, I am copying one more paper. For example, we write in. Same paper I am copying with a different keyword. Control C. Control V. And where is it? And then different keyword. Compiling it. So the second reference is this one. Okay. Okay. Now I want to cite this paper. Okay. I want to cite second paper. Cite this paper. Here. Cite done. Okay. The paper will be cited. Refer. Okay. Like this. Like this we can do bibliography. So with this, I'm closing my talk. So I tried my level best to cover major topics. And also my sincere thanks to Rajendra Kumar for giving me an opportunity to interact with the academic fraternity. Thank you, sir. If you need any doubts, they can ask me. Sir, tell me.
Thank you very much, sir, for such an interactive lecture. Or we can say this is not lecture, this is hands-on training.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Participant, if anybody want to ask any question, please. Yogesh, sir. Willing to ask anything?
Sir, no questions, but I really want to appreciate, sir. Your presentation is very good. We learned a lot. First time we have seen a latex, and now we are very much familiar with this. Thank you, sir.
Sukhinder, sir.
Sir, I'll heartily thank Rakshak because he has not only explained the introductory part of latex, but he has also explained the expressions, equations, summations, integrations, how to incorporate the authors, affiliations, abstracts. All these things have been discussed. The only thing which I'm also looking forward to was that can we insert a graph also using latex directly, or we have to use a figure only?
You can, sir. You can use the graph also.
Sir.
Same commands are included. Same.
Fine, sir.
That will save the graph in JPG.
Very comprehensive approach, sir. You have used all these things together. And lastly, we found out that it was actually you were preparing a document also. So we have the outcome as a document, LaTeX document ultimately, in which we have prepared the document itself along with the author affiliations details as well as references in this short span of time. Thank you very much, sir.
Welcome. Thank you.
Sir, on behalf of UGC-HRDC, BPSMV Kanpur Kala and all the participants of this refresher course, I am grateful to Rao sir for giving such an interactive and wonderful lecture, or we can say hands-on training to all the participants on the application of LaTeX
Thank you,
on
sir.
writing research paper. Thank you very much, Rao sir,
Okay.
for providing some time for us so that we will be able to learn LaTeX. Thank you, sir, once again.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Ananda. Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank you. And now we will join at 2 after lunch. Dr. Kirti Jain, she is the next resource person. And again, the session is hands-on training on SPSS. I think one of the participants has asked me, we must have a hands-on training on SPSS. Am I right? एक मैडम ने बोला था शायद,
तीन टीचर्स ने बोला सर.
हाँ, 2-3 टीचर्स ने बोला था, but one so I have tried to arrange the resource person on SPSS and LaTeX. We have also Dr. M.K. Sharma. He will be there on 27 or 28. He will further explain the things on LaTeX after Rao sir. So we will join again at 2, right, sir?
Okay, sir.
And once again, Rao sir, thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
and giving
Ananda.
such an interactive lecture. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Ananda.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.